This 2025 Felder 945S sliding table saw probably has less runtime than the average demo. This saw does feature a 126-inch long sliding table that utilizes a pair of linear rails, making it silky smooth throughout its range. Now, what I want you to see is right now the end of your carriage is just shy of center of your blade. And if we take this carriage and if we slide it back, you're going to notice that the end of the carriage starts just in front of your scoring blade. So it is a true 126-inch slider. Now those linear rails do carry voltage for your end controls. It's going to be very hard to see in the video, but this linear rail has actually a plastic covering over it. This one does not. That is so they do not arc on one another. That is low voltage. The current blade mounted in this machine is 16 inches. This saw will accept blades from 250 to 450 millimeter with a max cutting height of 155 millimeters, which is over 6 inches in height. That main blade is powered by a 10 horsepower or 7.3 kilowatt motor. You do have a separate scoring motor up front as well. There's simply no blade currently mounted in it. You do have speeds of 3,500, 4,500, and 5,500 RPM. And you do have an indicator for speed on the front of your control panel. This saw does have the Power Drive K2 option for electrical height and angle adjustment of the saw unit with display. The crosscut fence on the outrigger does have a 102-inch capacity. You do have a flip stop just right of the blade towards the front of the table here. You do have your adjustments for your scoring blade. The fence does have the optional DRO. That DRO does swivel. There is an additional cover when you're doing miter cuts, and if you loosen your fence plate, remove it, you can reinsert it. And this will allow it to match the angle of the blade. Overhead guard is easily adjustable. It also does have the laser guide. Simply pulling this lever forward is going to allow you to swing the guard out of the way. All you have to do is swing it back into place, and it will relock by itself. If you have any questions or comments, you can reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com or give us a call at 630-229-6705. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.